So we're finishing up this project of putting this form of Seadek. It's called OCEANBOARD. I got it on Amazon. Like I said, I have about 370 bucks, I think, in this. It's a peel and stick, the 3M. But I wanted to talk to you a little bit why I went with OCEANBOARD. I've used it before, and it's a pretty good product. I used it on the houseboat, the Mystic. But the reason I did it on this boat was for a couple reasons. One was Isla Dog. Sometimes when she would jump onto the boat from the dock here, she would try to put the brakes on and she would end up sliding all the way back to the transom because it was just a little too slick for her. And the same would go for us when we get out of the water from snorkeling or diving, or if there's just, our feet were just sliding a little bit, and I could have went with the non-skid, but this is just a little bit more comfortable. And so far I'm pretty happy with it. I've been happy with the other stuff. Little warm to touch, but it's not hot. And I've used this product before on the houseboat for 2 years now. I've had it on the front deck, and it really hasn't shown a whole lot of signs of fading. So I think it's going to work out well. I'll keep you posted as we go through the seasons with it to see how it's lasting. But so far so good for a shade tree install, shade tree mechanic install. I'm not disappointed with it. It's looking good so far. But we're going to finish up, put these couple other pieces on. I'll show you some before and afters. And if you guys got any questions about this product or another product or any kind of repairs or stuff that you've had with it, leave some comments, some questions, inquiries, and I hope you like this video, guys. Thanks. Alright guys, so this stuff is kind of stiff because it comes rolled up. You can see this is how it comes packaged. What you see back here is my first step to unrolling it. So I just cut the tape carefully. Get it off and out of the way. And what I do is I just kind of start rolling this the opposite way. Just to start to get the bend out of it. We got a nice sunny day today, so that's going to help. But I'm going to go have some coffee and stuff, but in the meantime I'm going to let this sit just to start to unroll. And then once we get a little sun, I'll set it in the sun. It'll make it a little more pliable. Guys, I'm going to show you a little bit of the install. Obviously, you're looking at the timeline as we're doing, but I want to show you some of what we're dealing with here. I am not a professional installer. This is not going to look as a professional installer did, but I spoke to one of the other guys out here in the Keys with their boat, and they had just got their 24-foot bay boat done, and I believe it was somewhere along the lines of $5,000. I got a total of $370 in materials for this boat and a little sweat equity. So that being said, theirs does look a lot better, but I'm okay with that. It's not a pretty boat. I'm not a pretty person. I'm happy with it. So I cut a little bit of relief there, is basically all that is. Just so when it sets in and goes. And this is how I do it. I don't know if it's right or wrong. You could do a paper pattern and lay it on here, cut it, make it perfect. It would probably come out, look a little bit neater. But what I do, this is 3M. It's really sticky. You know, they say once it sticks, you're stuck. That's not true. We've actually been able to pull it off a little bit. Get it lined up to about where I want. It sticks. And I'm going right over the hatches. Not permanently. Just for this install. I'll cut around it. Just something that I found that's easier. Joel running the camera helped me with a lot of the bigger parts. I don't think I would have been able to do it by myself. Okay. Okay, so to get around the hatches, I'm gonna cuts. My cuts are not perfect. If you look at this closely, you will see some crooked lines. Not a professional install, but this will be nice on our feet. Okay. There's that one. Where my gap is. I didn't worry about over here because the other one's gonna get us to it. Now we just got this edge to clean up. You could run a straight edge, like a straight edge, a ruler, a little board or something. I just kind of eyeball it. That. Or cut the other piece and it'll butt right up along here. We'll do the similar thing, but I just wanted to give you a brief. Take your time, lay it out with your lines, because sometimes where it comes together, we had to battle some gapping and bring it together, but I wanted to show you how it works. But that's it. It's that simple. Peel and stick. Just one more thing. I want to touch base with you one final time about the decking that we put on here. And I got it off of Amazon, and it has 3M backing. I'll put a link in the comments so you can check it out. But I'm just wanted to say that I'm pretty excited about how this came out. And like I said, it's not a pro install like I've said before, but getting out of the boat with our feet wet, came right out. We actually tried to go find some lobsters for about an hour. We found them, but we just didn't find any keepers. We probably caught, I don't know, 12 of them that we thought were keepers, but they weren't. But anyways, just getting in and out of the boat here, walking around barefooted. I didn't really get a chance to get it super dirty, so I don't know. We'll see. Get some blood on it, stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe there's a treatment that might make it last a little longer. Maybe UV treatment or something like that. But maybe something. But like I said, I just wanted to go over it. Very impressed so far. Under $400 did the whole boat, so I can't be disappointed with that at all. I'll do another little walk around here and look. You might see some of the seams and some of the uneven cuts and stuff like that, but for the most part, very satisfied. I would highly recommend it. Some of you guys might be a little bit better with the install than I am, but this came out pretty good. My buddy Joel gave me a hand, and worked out well. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. You got any questions, like I said before, ask in the comments. I'll get right back to you. If you got any ideas or comments about preserving this or treating it or cleaning it, let me know. Thanks, guys, for watching. Remember, it's a way of living.